Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Pitbull's Garage. Today we're going to do some little maintenance and troubleshooting on a Monte Carlo. Let's go. Go ahead and show you. I already pulled the codes up earlier, but I'm going to show you what codes it had brought up. Let's see, go ahead, hook this computer up. My old school computer scanner. Little cheapy. Enter, diagnose, yes, reading, 3 codes. Cylinder misfire, injector cylinder 1. Cylinder misfire detected, cylinder 1. So PO 301 and 201. Upon my investigation, was like, okay, I'm gonna either pull spark plug in cylinder number 1 or pull the injector, see if it does any change or disconnect it. As you can see there, I'm pretty sure that wire didn't tear. I did pull the black tape around it. It looked just like that one, but I pulled the rest of it off. Like something, we had a little buddy in here getting here. Decided to take a chew on my injector wire, so I'm pretty sure that this is probably my problem. I'm gonna go ahead and repair the wire and repair this one that they started on and look like. All right, I got the wires already kind of stripped. I twisted them together real quick just to fire it up. This one ain't that bad. Look like I can probably leave it together. Just throw a little soldering in there, then wrap it back up. But I'm just gonna test this real fast to see if my mist went away. I haven't cleared the code, so those of course are still gonna be on there. See? Yep. She fired right up. And it's cold start, like I haven't been driving or nothing since that misfire started. So as you can hear, yeah. Look at that, plain and simple fix. 2 engine codes. It was on so bad where the check engine light was flashing. So like really the point of this is, before you take it to the shop, if you got just a little bit of knowledge or a little something mechanical skills, I wouldn't even say that much to see, just check around. Especially with the code, it was saying injectors. So I automatically was like, oh, I'm gonna pop one of the injectors off. But then when I saw that, I'm like, oh, okay, because I kind of figured that. I'm thinking it was a squirrel. We have a lot of squirrels. I got a big nut tree in my yard, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish it. Solder those wires. All right, as you can see, I already hooked the red one up. I'm gonna show you how I did it. I made, like, see, focus in, little hooks. You see that one? I got a little hook. See if I can do this with one hand. And then I'm gonna hook this together like that, and I'm gonna twist it in the opposite way. I mean, you could do it a couple different ways, but this is how I do it, just for easy, cheap repair. I twist this one back around. And this is not gonna be done. I'm just prepping it for when I solder it. As you see, like I said, I already did the red one. I'm gonna do that one later. All right, just real quick, how I did the soldering. May not know, like I said, this is some extra thick. So I use some lighter ones. I just heat it up with my little torch. I got this from Harbor Freight. Once it got a little hot, just dabbed it on there, on the wire, just so you can make a better connection. Like I said, there's many ways to do it. Just the way I do it has never failed me. Just thought I'd share my opinion. Oh, and for a quick tip, just say if that wire fell out right here on the injector connection. They do have these at the auto parts store. especially if it's a popular car like a 3800 like this one is supercharged. They have this plug and then you'll get way more wire. I mean, that's a different way of doing it too. just have extra wire. Say the wire's just too far gone, but you need the extra wire. It'd be better just to buy this connector. I'm just lucky enough to have enough to reconnect. Like I was saying, like I said, I solder, and then you can also use the connectors, like the ones you slide on and crimp. That's how people do that. Use those. Like I said, there's many different ways. I just do the solder, and usually I have a heat shrink over it, but I ain't got nothing laying around, so we're just gonna do the soldering part, then wrap it real good with electrical tape. But so I thought I'll just let you know you can do it that way too, if say if it's cut off right here. And there you have it, all electrical tape wrapped back up, and just put it back in the wire bundle it was in, the wiring harness bundle. So yeah, pretty easy fix. So like I was saying, see, no check engine light is on. Easy fix. I didn't have to go buy no spark plugs or spark plug wires today. So you having that problem, luckily you gotta hope something doesn't chew it again. But luckily you just ain't gotta spend no money. It was easy fix. So she's back on the road. My little gas saver project cheap. I hope this video was helpful. You can look up the diagram. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and insert the picture here. Just to show you on these, the 3800 supercharged, so you know exactly what cylinder when you pull it up, when it shows cylinder 1, 2, or 3. So just to make it a little easier if you're watching this video and you're trying to chase that problem down, but especially when it says injector. When it did that code, I think it was 301. It was one of them, 301 or 201. It had both of them, but that's the injector, and that's because you have a misfire and uneven idle. So until next time, check out the rest of my videos on this Monte Carlo. I did some front repairs and the switch relay button. So, and check out my Instagram at pitbull_garage. See you next time. Peace.